Good morning, adult class.
Good morning, sir.
Respondents.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Today I've come to teach you adult music. As I say, adult music.
Adult music.
Okay. Do you know adult music?
No.
Okay. Adult music. Adult music means, do you know music?
Yes.
Do you know music?
Yes.
How music do you get in? Huh? I'm asking you a question. Adult music means this song, Tear Rubber. Do you know Tear Rubber? It's an adult music. Say adult music.
Adult music.
Okay. We are come to teach you computer science. I say computer science.
Computer science.
We have 4 types in computer.
We have 4 types of computer.
So the third one, home econs.
Home econs.
Do you know home econs?
Yes.
Let me teach you home econs. Home econs. When your mother and your father go to room, if they are joking, it's a home econs. Tell them, let you see.
Home econs.
Means home econs means if your father and your mother go to room, they praying is called home econs. And they saying praying home econs.
Home econs.
Praying home econs.
Praying home econs.
Clap for yourself. Okay. The next subject. Concentration. Say concentration.
Concentration.
Concentration means aja is so. Aja is so. And you find concentration. Say concentration.
Concentration.
Okay. Ida this jado. Na adna why is you find concentration. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay. Spell me mouse. Who can spell me mouse? Okay. You said?
Me.
Speak louder.
Me.
Stand up. Okay. Recite.
Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse.
You say?
M-O-U-S-E.
You said? Pronounce the speaker. Kasadin.
Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse.
This is the word I'm teaching you. It's not mouse. You are spelling nails. I say same. I say same. Mouse. Listen to me. Mouse. W-M-O-D. Mouse. Shame of you. I'm giving you a class test. Tomorrow if you come in full. Foolish. Hey, who is laughing? Who is laughing with me? Quiet.
Teacher.
Yeah, madam. Afternoon. Please, what are you saying now?
Hey,
Teaching.
you are teaching.
Yes.
Maybe you can't say who can spell mouse. Oh, sorry, I was spelling it correctly. What said? Just what said it put all. It is coming to your mouth. When I would share me, man.
Madam. A year for science. Go to a dictionary. If you go to dictionary, you can know how to spell mouse. They are children. I'm not teaching. Our president said we teach the children. The kids.
Me, am I a very big
Good
mistake?
lesson.
Me a very big mistake. Now come me before se me man adie no. Na me sa so ma me man na fofo. E kan tro mo ma me na ko mo fo mo be ka ho na e tro ma die no. Na wo se me hihye dibre. Degree be na wo.
No, but you see degree Celsius.
It's so set.
I have a set.
Set in the
set no.
HND.
Oh, no.
DBS. Masters. Another.
And Yanibia, I don't have that set. I have health insurance. Go. Are you fair to insurance to go and teach the children? Is a small
you do health insurance. You do health insurance.
What's up? What's up about that? Me can't tell you.
Besing.
Huh? Me tell someone no.
Besing.
I'm teaching them. Hey, I'm teaching them. Boss.
Me can't tell them. I'm not starting one.
What's nothing? Oh, my man.
Me never mind just a person who born. Me want for you here with unity. Eti ma take the new one one say, "Sacrifice is way." Me do be sia, ma cancel no. Me ma me want for say me biom.
Boss, take time.
Wouldn't never head them.
Don't beat him.
So wouldn't never head them.
Do you know this word?
So they want to.
Do you know this word?
Come on, I'm not saying this won't pronounce one. Me come it down.
You don't know this word. I'm teaching your junior brother. And did you go to school?
So they want.
Do you go to school?
So they want to. So they want. What's the swap?
Okay.
What's the film so go on?
Okay.
Me best call me baby. Me best me want for sway. We bet to the night. I'm about to say what I said. You be asking. Say what you are there. Now sit in a hall. Me go bomb my man here. When you say grandma podria.
Hey, please stand up and let it close. Stand up and let it close.
Good morning.
Morning. But please, we are closing tomorrow.
Enti corona ba nkwa na ofie. Ya fo mu mla wona chiro made a akwa se ada ona do a. But se hu a sa de o se say na chire.
Yes, I teach. I did teach you adult music. I did teach you some.
Akwa na adult music.
Yes, adult music.
But school fees me da ma.
Yes.
Atua.
Yes, you pay.
Bye.
I teach your doctor good learning. Because right now, I am social media way. Please. It's not It's not. Sit down. Why? Are you seeing? Are you seeing you are throw that small boy away? Okay, thank you. Teach him learning in home, How are you, class? I say, how are you, class? Right now, your teacher, I'm afraid. So, stand up and let's play. And let's go home. Stand up and let's play. Stand up. I said, stand up. You didn't say stand up? Stand up. Oh, are you laughing at me? I'm your teacher. I say, let's close. Our Father, let's go. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Art is in heaven. Give us this day our drawing board, and will give us our trespasses, forever and forever. For thy with a wisdom forever and ever. Amen. The God's prayer. The God's prayer. Yeja also. Odemonto. Bahilimbra. Your friend and you are that. No man that day to bind the NG. As I said, amen. I say amen. Please, come and carry the board. Rose, come and carry. Carry it.